In case you haven't noticed, King Comp is here. Grape is going fully open source, giving even more power to its gated communities. Stay until the end if you want to know how your community can benefit from Grape's DAO tooling. The Grape Community's new roadmap aims to take its DAO tooling fully open source and composable. This will allow DAOs to take their governance fully on-chain and with no single point of failure. One of those tools is, of course, Grape Access, the first tool on Solana to verify on-chain ownership of assets and assign respective roles and permissions. Grape is now cutting the umbilical cord of this tool, so it can become fully open source with its own DAO and token. This token is called GAN. The Grape Access Network token is backed by Grape and is used for Grape Access verification. If your community wants to benefit from the endless benefits of Grape Access, you should follow these 3 simple steps. All the links are in the description. Step 1. Have 10,527 Grape in your community wallet. Step 2. Swap your Grape for 1 GAN. Step 3. Provide the community wallet address holding 1 GAN and your Discord server name to the Grape Access help channel on the Grape Discord server. And you're done. You have secured your online community. At the same time, you are shaping the future of Web3 by making it open source, composable, and autonomously governed. Thank you, and always remember,
it's great!